Hello everyone, welcome to another walk around video. This is DM1822. It is a 1997 Nissan Cima Grand Touring. It is pearl white exterior, black leather interior. Let's check this thing out.
Black leather is rare.
Yeah, you could say that. We always used to call white cars with black leather interior unicorns. So.
Yeah.
82,000 kilometers on it, translates to roughly 50,000 miles. This one does have the HVAC controls here with the separate radio, so that's super nice. Cup holders here, ashtray there, squash air freshener. Let's go.
This one is a sunroof as well.
Yes, it is a sunroof
And the
car.
cool thing is it's a paint match sunroof.
And it has a visor, which is cool. I mentioned it was a Grand Touring. It also has the Grand Touring grill here. That's
So Grand Touring
expensive
is
option.
Yeah.
Like if you're going to add that to not a Grand Touring car, you'd be paying some money for it.
So Grand Touring grill, and then the added front lip on the front.
Correct.
And then it's on the rear. We'll show you the wing.
V6 turbo.
Super clean under here.
Another thing about the Grand Touring, it has the black housing headlights.
Yeah. Those look killer.
They do.
Let's see, does this one have any fancy deals here in the rear? I didn't pull down the center console. No, nothing crazy back here. So, shut this door.
Nice big trunk, nice and clean.
Jack down here. It's the hardest things to get pulled up.
I know.
Cool. Nice and clean, has all the stuff. And then the Grand Touring also has this really cool wing.
With a third brake light built into it.
Just makes the profile of the car look, you know, more aggressive as well. Do a little walk around of the exterior. This thing's clean.
It's a nice car, man.
It is.
If you guys have any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to us. More information's below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.